Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 26th of November 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 tumbled 1.6% today to finish the week at 7,279 points. That's its lowest level in 6 weeks. Almost 90% of companies on the index today fell back on fears about the COVID crisis in Europe escalating and a new variant in South Africa emerging. The banks and big miners tumbled, with both Fortescue and Macquarie Group down more than 3%. Woodside Petroleum fell more than 5%. National Australia Bank, Westpac and Rio Tinto all dropped by more than 2%. It was a rough day all round, but none had it rougher than artificial intelligence group Appen. Its share price plunged 19% after Macquarie Group downgraded the stock. Macquarie analysts said they were concerned that Appen would downgrade its profit guidance in coming weeks. The COVID fears hit the travel stocks hard. Flight Centre was down 7.5%, corporate travel management fell 5.8%, and Webjet was off 5%. Qantas fell 5.5%. Its chief executive, Alan Joyce, said the new COVID-19 variant in Africa was of interest, but not yet a serious concern. Mr. Joyce said he expected borders to stay open. AMP today said it will take a $325 million write-down following a review of its balance sheet ahead of the demerger of the AMP Capital business. Essentially, it's an accounting adjustment, but its share price fell more than 4% today to just $1. The only good news on the exchange came from the gold miners. They were easily the best performers, led by St Barbara, which jumped 2.2%. That's because the price of the precious metal rose in response to the fears of the new variant. Gold is currently trading around $1,800 an ounce. In economic news today, retail spending rose by nearly 5% during October, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, as restrictions were eased in New South Wales, the ACT and Victoria. The jump was higher than expected and suggests that spending is back to pre-Delta levels. A report from ANZ and CoreLogic says it takes 10.8 years on average to save for a house deposit, the longest time ever. Home buyers on an average income now need to use nearly 40% of their pay to service a new mortgage. For new home buyers, that's 60% of income. The Aussie dollar is finishing the week at its low point at 71.4 US cents. Wall Street was closed for the Thanksgiving Day holiday. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 26th of November, 2021. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the Saturday edition of Fear and Greed. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.